Friday fun day behind the ranch. Got the dogs loose and about 2 minutes. Looks like they found something here. Oh, look at that right there, just a single Hun. I'll be darned. Oh, there goes the other one, a pair. Well, that was fun. Funny thing happened here, actually. Tank had first point. Tank had been there for a while. Patch breezed right on by him like Tank wasn't even there, and then he locked up there and was right on top of those birds. So it was actually Tank's point. So, well, good. That's always good to cut loose. That's the first time we've had any burn contacts in a while. It's had a whole bunch of snow here, and it's starting to melt. So I just, other than having the dogs out in the yard, you know, running around a little bit, I didn't feel like post holing with snow up to my balls. So anyway, good start to Friday afternoon. There's Kato.